Hello, my name is Nicholas. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've actually had a request for somebody wondering about the lights that I have underneath the lift. So I figured I'd show you, what I bought and, kind of how I set it up. So let's take a look in a little bit more detail. So these are the strips of LEDs that I've purchased. I actually bought these from Home Depot. As you can see, you have the ability to change the colors. There's actually a remote control that comes with it, and you can actually trim this at different points depending on where you need the lights to end. But literally this continues on to right over here, and this is where the connectors are. So I actually put a piece of double-sided tape on this side and put the connectors on here. This is what's connected to the light strip. If I were to pull this out, the light strip would shut off because it wouldn't have any power. Okay, and basically I've applied them on both sides. So on here, I'm trying to see if I can get like a better angle here. This is actually just applied. Each one of these light strips comes with a kind of like a 3M backing. So that's what's over there. Okay, and I just basically set it along the length of the lift over here. And then for the power, what I've done on the side of the lift was I actually put one of these power strips right over here. This one actually has a light, so if I ever wanted to flip this out for additional lighting, I could turn that on, that comes on, or I could turn it off and fold it back. But it's kind of nice to have along the lift. I actually have the lift plugged into it. There are 2 USB ports right over here, which is nice to have. And this is also connected via kind of like a command strip with Velcro, so in case I've ever wanted to service it or take it off, that it's okay. Now, from here, I actually bought a kind of power extension cord, which kind of plugs right into that. And then this dangles, and then this is actually plugged into where the light strip power adapters are, which are right over there. So with that, I'm able to, I kind of like measure the length of this, so that way when it's up or down, that this doesn't catch at all. But I've been happy with it so far. It's been very easy to use. These have been on like 24/7. Haven't had an issue since, I've installed it like during the winter time. But it works really well for, when you park your car underneath it, because it's pretty dark. There used to be a light bulb up top, but I actually removed that. Let me see if I can come back. See, there used to be a light bulb right there. I had to remove that just because it was getting really close to the i8, and I did not want to risk, in case I didn't back it up properly, hitting that light bulb. So to compensate, I actually added these LED strips, and honestly, they're pretty cool when you drive in at nighttime. They glow. So there it is. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Well, one more thing I'd like to mention is, in addition to the lights, because I'm guessing some of you have these lifts and you'd want to add lights, but one more thing that actually has helped me out tremendously are, if you look in the background, the race ramps. So I was suggested to buy some of those, and they're amazing. Let me show you. So these are the race ramps, and I actually have my original ramps kind of in the back. These are super heavy, and if I lifted this on a daily basis, it's just annoying. These race ramps are so easy. They're very light to use. So I can actually even just pick this up with like one hand, and these are the ramps. It was suggested by me, suggested by the vendor to get these because they're much lighter, and they are, because I can easily pick them up, move them. I did need to have these cut, if you notice right over here, in order to fit in the direct lift. So when the installers came and upgraded my lift to the wider version, they actually helped me cut these, and they work great. I would buy them again. I forgot, I think they were somewhere in the $500 or $550 range, but they work really well just because they're light.